Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add all rights reserved to your Shopify store for copyright protections. So let's get started. First of all, you have to access your Shopify account. To do so, just go to your web browser and then in the search bar, type in shopify.com. After the website appears, enter your account credentials and log in. Now, after logging in, to add this text to your footer, go to Online Store in the left-hand sidebar right here. Click on Online Store and select Themes. Now, once the Themes menu appears, click on the Customize button next to the three dots and next to your active theme. Right here. Or click on the Customize button here. Now, find the footer section. Scroll down, all the way down, and look for the text or content settings. You can add it here. Add a section like here in the instead of this subscribe to our email, you can write all rights reserved to the footer text box, then save your changes and write all rights reserved here and add the C icon or logo or whatever your Shopify store has for logo. And after you finish modifying this, click on save right here. And that's it. Your store, this footer now displays all rights reserved thanks to this maneuver right here. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.